He's kind of small, so I won the lunch bet, but he's still pretty cool. We're from Austin, Texas, home of Keeping It Weird, and we're looking for a house to restore, but not just any house, a special kind of a house, the one with a story and a history, the spooky one, the one you might avoid on a dark night. So come along as we search for just the right house somewhere in a small town in Texas. Epic.
Good day, good day. We're going to an estate sale.
Yes, very exciting. We have procured a ram's head via auction online. We have no idea how small this ram's head is because the price was small. So it's going to be very interesting. I might be showing you it in my hand or in the back of the car. Even more mad that I'm laughing at her.
Yeah, Laura's having some road rage.
Oh, okay. We're going to do this.
We live by a community of retired people, and now she's flipping them off.
I blew her a kiss. Does that make you more happy?
Now, mind you, she did pass her on the shoulder, so it's a little sketchy.
I blew her a kiss. I did not flip her off. But you know what?
That's somebody's grandmother.
She needs to learn how to drive. And if you can't go the speed limit, then you need to stay in Sun City, okay? Because we don't need you f***ing out here, okay?
And on today's episode of Living with Tourette's, we'll be discussing safe driving habits.
If the speed limit is 55 and you want to go 35, you're going to get passed on the shoulder. Sorry. That's the way it's going to go. I do appreciate the fact, though, that she caught up with me. But she didn't flip me off. She just honked.
It took 20 minutes to catch up because we were going at almost the speed of sound.
I admire her moxie, which is why I blew her a kiss skills.
I think they're both very cuntastic.
Hey, I wear that badge proudly. I wear it proudly. I mean, if she put that much effort into her driving skills, we wouldn't have had an issue to begin with, right? Right. All right?
I have to buy that.
Like the angry grandma thing. Oh my God.
We can say sold. What do you got?
I got a crystal pitcher. Isn't it nice? Look. Looks like leaded crystal. It's really pretty. Do you like it?
Looks haunted. It'll work. It's an interesting vase. Well, I didn't know it was that kind of a show. Well, where's your lady at?
Dude, I don't know. She's coming, apparently.
She sounds like a dumbass.
I agree. We have to buy this for our good friend Shane. Let me see.
Now, we're not saying he smokes the devil's lettuce, but it's been rumored that...
$39. I think he's worth it.
One of the challenges of trying to decorate a creepy house is finding enough creepy artwork to put into it. Clowns always seal the deal on that.
I don't like clowns.
No. Or dolls. Or people. So we left the antique store, scored a pretty cool mirror that we'll show in a bit, but now we're headed out to... Where are we going?
Lago Vista?
Oh. We're going to pick up my ram's head, then we're going to go to an estate sale.
Ram's head. That he won on an auction. From an estate sale.
Something like that.
We're making bets on how big we think this ram's head is. I think it's going to be like little, like baby ram for the price we paid. So we're gonna see who's right. And then whoever is wrong gets to buy lunch.
Although we use the same bank account, so I mean, like, whatever.
So we're both technically paying, but you know, you get the gist of it. Gotta make it fun. In a small town. You just have to be close to civilization.
Right.
You're gonna be fine. Stop being so dramatic.
Pay my life insurance.
Well, that's why I take you with me.
We're in the woods now, people. In the woods.
Where it doesn't.
Arrived.
Oh, I guess we follow the signs. Oh, it's like a junk store. Oh, what's the whole way over here? What's the deal with this property, I wonder?
I don't know, but like, how far back do I gotta go?
I don't know, but I keep hearing banjos playing in the background. I'm getting a little sketched out.
Parking pickup items. You're buying lunch.
Yeah, appears that I'm buying lunch.
See, look.
Oh, and he's all beat up too, which is great. So we collected the corpse.
There's the very small ram's head.
It wasn't that small. It's just inadequately sized.
It's definitely not what you thought you were buying.
I was hoping
he'll be cute on my gallery wall, but it's not something to put on the top of your fireplace. My wildebeest skull is bigger than that fucking thing.
I was hoping for something a little larger in stature, such as myself and my ego, but not this time. So now we are headed down deeper into the woods to another estate sale. Hopefully they have a restroom we can use.
Turn left onto East from 1431.
Oh my god, this road! I'm gonna pop a tire for sure. Woo, woo, and I gotta pee, so that doesn't help.
Yeah, it's 100 degrees. We're on a dirt road, and I don't know. It's just awful. No.
Can you hear it?
Yes.
Some definite back ass work country shit going on down here. Oh, there it is. Camp Penile.
The name of the church camp is Camp Pinel, but it looks like Camp Penile, which, depending on how you interpret, it could be a good time.
The only difference is that it's EL instead of AL. But I mean, I'm just saying. Why? Why would you do that?
Some of us are phonetically challenged, and we giggle like a schoolboy every time we see it.
Yeah, you better
You
hold
want to
on.
slow down just a little bit?
Yeah, man. These are some country roads. And I can't do anything about it. Yes. Say your Hail Marys. You're gonna be just fine.
Okay, so we just
Let me just pull out here before we start on our tirade about that situation.
we were really uncomfortable and very bizarrely weird.
That's the beauty of estate sales. You never know what you get.
Oh no, we are in a little small lake town, and they had a estate sale
With no sign.
They were
No sign of life.
They were half naked.
Yeah. Because the lake is right behind them, so apparently they were at the lake. But she definitely did not have a bathing suit that fit her, because I was just waiting for a nip slip. Like it was.
Was I?
Yeah. I was like, it was gonna happen. And it wasn't like one of those like, oh, I can't wait to see it. It was like, holy shit, I don't want to see that. Like, I don't want that to happen. And he was a very
It's a very weird exchange.
weird, very pale version of Kramer without the sense of humor.
And
From Seinfeld, yes.
we walked inside. There was no signage.
No signs on anything.
They came out to the car and got us.
Yes.
And then we went inside, and then they closed the door behind us. And you ever have that feeling like you're about to be murdered to death? Yeah.
I mean, let's face it. I could take them. Like they were little people. I could handle ourselves. But the overwhelming smell of mothballs was going to choke me out. I'm okay with like the smell of old things because I'm used to it.
And she lived with me.
But like mothballs, like that actual odor, I'm still kind of a little verklempt from it. It was a little much. It was a little much. Yeah, I wasn't worried. I could take him. He was scrawny. I could take him. But very strange people. Very, very strange people. No signs. No nothing. I was gonna drive away as soon as I saw them come out to the car.
Yes.
And I should have. I should have trusted my gut.
Oh, Jesus, you're in the ditch.
You're fine, drama queen. Anyways, unsuccessful trip. Let's press on.
On to the next adventure.
Pickens. So.
Hey, you want to try that all again? Because I didn't push record.
How do you suck at this? We're going into an antique store. See, I lost all enthusiasm. It's called Pickens. Okay, so I gotta go inside.
We're gonna try to redeem. Sometimes the novice is not so good. Listen. I don't know if salami is in retrograde or what the fuck is going on, but today's not the day. I can't tell you the amount of cuckoo birds that are. Listen, I like crazy. I like weird. No, and there's a lot of weird today.
This is another level. All I'm going to say is right now, I'm going to the liquor store. And if they do not have my bourbon, this whole day's trip is just a waste of time. Oh my God.
That was a...
No.
You know, and no. I try not to film people because...
Oh, but I'm gonna from now on. Because let me tell you what. You don't understand the shit that we have seen today. And you have to. So next time, I'm getting a fucking body cam. Like from now on, I'm gonna be like the cops. I'm gonna be rolling around with a body cam because you can't make this shit up. I think I'm on the curb.
Yes, you were in the grass actually, but it's fine. Just go. Just do it. Fuck it. Put some scratch.
It's fine. Oh my God.
The day gets weird. And she was very tan. Very tan.
It's like something about Mary.
It was something about Mary, yes. It was.
Wait, is this town, do I turn? Do I go straight?
Just drive in the ditch and kill us. Be done. What did he say? He says, sorry for your drinking problem. We don't have any Buffalo Trace.
Did you ask or did you just go to the place where it should be?
No, I spoke to them, which would be abnormal, and asked them, and they said they sold all the Buffalo Trace yesterday. Probably to the same person.
Today's worthless. Absolutely worthless. Wow.
See, usually when we're on road trips, well, whenever we're in a small town, we always go to the liquor store because you never know what you're going to find. Because in Austin, you know, bourbon hunting is so niche-y or
so
trendy.
Many hipsters. Oh, I got to have my collection. Oh, we actually fucking drink it, which is why we need more.
Right. So we go to all the small towns and root around and see what we can find. Because usually you can find some neat stuff or rare stuff or whatever. But somebody found out about all my secret spots. And now they buy all my shit up. I don't think that's going to work. Tetris champion again.
Well, it's hot as Hades outside.
You'll notice we're loaded down tight.
The only good thing that came from today, these chairs right here that I'm going to redo. The only good thing that came from today.
See, the women, they're always doubting my my Tetris skills. They are world renowned.
First of all, there's still a fly in here. Get it? There it goes. So, I didn't doubt you. I wouldn't have come if I didn't believe you. She doubted us. She's like, oh no, it's not going to fit in the car. I was like, I don't know, my husband, he has some pretty good Tetrising skills. It's going to fit. It fit. I didn't take that bet. I knew better. I gotta go home. I gotta go home and drink and float in my pool.
One more liquor store and then we'll unload the car and show you the wares of today.
Which was not much, by the way. So it was not a super fruitful day. But it's fine. Victory! Finally!
Scored a little buffalo.
Finally, this day is looking up. I got my chairs. I got my bourbon. Although, he should have let me buy all the bottles, but he wouldn't. He would only let us buy 2, which is some bullshit because money is money. Who cares who the buys it? I'm not going to resell it.
Yeah, there's like a weird rule that only lets you buy 2 bottles of Buffalo Trace. I could buy 75 bottles of Jack Daniels and dump it into the gutter because that's what it's worth. But the Buffalo Trace, I only get to get 2. So that's gonna fill up maybe till Tuesday. You know, I mean,
it's a Texas thing. I don't think it's everywhere. I think it's just bullshit here.
Right.
But whatever. Success, anyways. Success. All right. Today's haul. I scored this mirror. I don't know if it's old or not, but it is so cool. Looks like somebody's painted it, but like, look at these faces. Look at that. And then there's this bird. Look at this bird. Looks like a griffin. I don't know. And look at this. It's like devil's ram heads. You know, look at these things. It's legit. Like, can you even, I mean, I can't even. And look how big it is. It's huge. And then here's our ram head for size and scale. Oh, wait, let me get at the glare. He's kind of small. So I won the lunch bet. But he's still pretty cool. He's a great addition to the wall. And then check out these awesome Jesus chairs that I scored. Total 1960s church motif. I'm going to dye the cushions and then probably refinish the wood. I cannot wait. So we actually had pretty good score. This along with some bourbon. And it was a good day. What are you doing?
Rebels. We don't follow anybody's rules.
What?
This is where we say thanks for watching. Please
Oh,
subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our shenanigans. More to come.
Petey says bye.
It's not. So I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna drink. How the fuck do I get out of here? It doesn't open? Oh, maybe I gotta go the other way. Am I gonna get out that way?
It says one way.
What says one way? Ooh, there's a fly in here.